Hi everyone, in this video, we will discuss about ClickUp Review. Watch this before using it. First, let's go with its pros. ClickUp offers a wide array of tools including task management, time tracking, customizable workflows, and real-time dashboards, catering to diverse project needs. Also, users can tailor the platform extensively, adjusting dashboards, statuses, and workflows to align with specific team requirements. Also, features like the chat view facilitate seamless communication within teams, reducing the need for multiple external applications. Lastly, it has an affordable price. With a robust free plan and competitively priced paid tiers, ClickUp provides cost-effective solution for teams of varying sizes. Now for its cons, the extensive feature set and high degree of customizability can be overwhelming for new users, potentially leading to a challenging onboarding process. Also, users have reported occasional slow loading times and system lags, which can hinder productivity. For its bug reports, some users have encountered bugs and UI issues, indicating that the platform may require further refinement to ensure stability. Lastly, certain advanced functionalities are restricted to higher price plans, which may limit access for smaller teams or those on tighter budgets. In summary, ClickUp is a powerful project management tool offering extensive features and customization options, making it suitable for a wide range of teams and projects. However, potential users should be prepared for an initial learning curve and occasional performance issues. And that's basically it.